Does the Imp give you the ump? Well, it might have done once, but this clever little car might deserve another look. Because behind the jokes and the reputation lies one of Britain's most ambitious small car projects. A tiny Scottish-built marvel that was years ahead of its time. In the early 1960s, the Mini was rewriting the rules. Britain was falling in love with small cars, cheap, cheerful and fun. Roots Group, makers of Hillman and Sunbeams, needed an answer fast. Their saloons looked old-fashioned, so they set out to build a small car with big car refinement. Rear engine, 4 seats and a dash of style. To qualify for government funding, they agreed to build it in a new factory at Linwood in Scotland. A bold move that would soon test them to the limit. The design itself was inspired. The Imp's lightweight 875cc all-alloy engine was based on a Coventry Climax racing unit. Rev-happy, smooth and advanced. It even had an opening rear window and a proper water-cooled layout. Miniature marvel engineering. But Roots rushed it. The government wanted Linwood open fast, so production started before it was ready. Training was short, supply chains untested, and the first Imp suffered leaks and stalling. The press pounced and the unfair reputation stuck, even though later cars were much better. The Mini had simplicity on its side, a box on wheels with the engine up front and front-wheel drive. The Imp was a thinker's car. Independent suspension all round, rear-mounted engine for balance, and a quieter ride. It was lighter, more refined and arguably more sophisticated, but harder to build and service. So while the Mini became a fashion icon, the Imp became the underdog. And Roots expanded the family. The Singer Chamois offered a touch of luxury with chrome and wood. The Sunbeam Imp Sport turned up with wick and twin carbs and about 50 horsepower, a little pocket rocket. Then came the Sunbeam Stiletto, a sleek fastback coupe with twin headlamps, the Imp's glamorous cousin. Need space? The Hillman Husky gave you an estate rear with folding seats. And for the export markets, the Hillman California added some transatlantic style. Different names, one Ingenious design. The Imp even found fame on the silver screen. Norman Wisdom helped promote it in one of his films, and it suited him perfectly, small, lively and full of pluck. If you're working on your own classic, check out our partners at CBS, Car Builder Solutions, simply using the link in the description. It helps to support our channel and keeps these stories rolling, and you get 10% off. Today, enthusiasts see the Imp for what it really was: innovative, well engineered and unfairly maligned. That rear engine layout makes it a joy to drive, and its all-alloy motor still sings like a sports car. So does the Imp give me the ump? No. It makes me smile, because it was my very first car. It's a reminder that clever ideas and character sometimes take decades to be appreciated, and that's what Classic Car Stories is all about. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of Classic Car Stories. But let's not park the car just yet. Let's drive on into the next video, because remember, every classic has a story to tell.